Okay, have a nice day, everyone. So in this video, I will be going to deal with the another types of forecasting model, which is dealing with exponential smoothing. So when we say exponential smoothing forecasting model, that is basically a popular method for forecasting time series that involves applying weights to past observation with more recent observations given higher weights or indicating more influence on the forecast. So the underlying idea is that the future value depends more on the most recent data points. In this forecasting model class, this is somewhat focusing to such particular what we call this one. I am stating this that this is really focusing in the historical data set, which we need to smooth out the data. What is the expected or the forecast or the estimated forecast in that particular um, data set or I mean event. Now, exponential smoothing is can help to predict the future by using the past company data, which where in fact it is somewhat beneficial when the data has a trend or a seasonal pattern that needs to be accounted for when making a prediction. So the type of exponential smoothing is simple exponential smoothing holds linear trend model holds winter exponential smoothing. So by the way, in an exponential smoothing model, it is somewhat focusing to the seasonal, the trend. So there is a specific example that, for example, if the data is having, or I mean focusing to um, seasonal pattern and trend, there is a seasonality and a trend. There is a specific type of exponential smoothing that can deal with that one. And there is something that if it's not dealing with both seasonality and no trend, there is a specific trend. I mean, example that will deal with that as well. And especially when it comes to the only trend, there is a specific type of that will deal. But we will be going to basically deal with that step by step. I will be going to explain that to you. How does it work? So thank you so much and see you in the next video.